In this tutorial, I'm gonna teach you how to quickly reveal text with a track matte. You can download this project file in the description down below, making a new tutorial for each day of the year. Day 68 of 365. Let's grab the text tool and let's make our text here. Select it all. Also, I'm gonna center this with Ctrl-Alt-Home and Control Home. Now to reveal this with a track matte, we have to make the matte. So let's grab the rectangle tool and let's draw the rectangle shape we want. Something like this. It will cover our text. Make sure this have a solid color, a fill. And now to use this, let's call this matte. This rectangle as a matte for our text, we have to go here to the track matte. If you don't see this, try by clicking here, toggle switches, and you will see this option. And we can select this as a matte by going here and selecting matte, or with the pick whip and select here the matte. Now if we move this outside of the matte, you will see that it will disappear, but the edges are too sharp, so let's add a little feather to this rectangle. Let's add the effect Gaussian blur and check this box first and increase the Gaussian blur like that. And we can even change the rectangle by double click, and you can change the shape of the rectangle here. Let's make this something like this. And now let's animate the text. First center it with Ctrl Home, go to position with P, and make a keyframe for position. Move this keyframe forward because it will end here, and here at the beginning you can make it to come from the bottom, from the top, from the right, from the left, from wherever you want. I'm gonna make it come from the bottom, and we have this slow animation. I'm gonna make this faster by moving this close together. The animation is too harsh, so to make this smoother, grab both keyframes and ease them with F9. And now you will see this is better. So you can make this smoother at the end by grabbing this last keyframe, go here to the graph editor and make sure you are in the speed graph here. So select this icon and select edit speed graph. Now grab the last keyframe and move this handle, something like this. You can move it forward and let's see. So there you have it. You can also change the track matte behavior by inverting here the track matte. Click here in invert the matte, and now the letters are only visible outside of the matte and not inside. If you want to make another animation, you can even just animate this rectangle. Go to position and animate this rectangle like this. The last thing, let's add a motion blur to this text to make it look pretty good, and let's trim the work area with N. And here we have our text reveal. You can change the text to whatever you want, just make sure to adjust the matte. That's all for today's tutorial. Join Animation Essentials in the link in the description and become a confident animator. You can download this project file in the description down below, and I'll see you in the next video. See ya.